Hello guys, welcome back extended video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type of error, unable to install app on iOS 17 and 16. If you face this type of error, so how to fix? First of all, go back your home screen and open your iPhone and iPad setting, then tap on Wi-Fi and make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection. And after that, if you use mobile data, then turn on airplane mode at least the 30 seconds. You have turned it off, and after that scroll down, then tap on screen time, and from here tap on content and privacy section, then tap on iTunes and App Store purchase. From here you as can see required password. What you need to do it, tap on don't required, and after that tap on installing app. From here you make sure that tap on allow, and after that tap on in app purchase and make sure that select allow, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and scroll down, then tap on journal, then tap on iPhone storage, wait some second. From here you make sure that delete useless app, and after that go back, scroll down, then tap on date and time, and from here you make sure that turn on board toggle. If the toggle turn off, what you need to do it, turn on board toggle and select correct date and time, and after that go back, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset, then tap on reset network setting, enter your passcode, then tap on reset network setting. After reset network setting, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the next method, go back and tap on VPN and device management. From here, if you connect anyone VPN, you make sure that disconnect, and after that go back, scroll it up, then tap on software update, and from here you make sure that update your iPhone and iPad, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the last method, go back your home screen and open your iPhone and iPad setting, then tap on Apple ID banner name, then tap on media and purchase, then tap on view account. From here you tap on country region, then tap on change country region. From here you as can see terms and condition, read carefully, then tap on agree. From here you as can see payment method. What you need to do is select your payment method. I am select none, and after that select your state, enter your city and enter your country and enter your phone number, and after that tap on next. After change your country or region, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am help you more. Thanks for watching.